are going to work a back strengthening exercise that to me is just one of the best ones out there. We have basically muscles that run along both sides of our spine, and many times, depending on the sport activity we did starting from childhood, or maybe a hobby that we do, or the way we sit, stand, walk, drive the car, we tend to strengthen one side and not the other. And when one side is too strong, then all of a sudden we have some misalignments that go on in our body, and all of a sudden we're like, oh, I have this pain in my back or this pain in my shoulder. And really, it probably could have been resolved if we'd have both sides just as strong. So for this exercise, bring yourself over onto all fours position. Think of it this way. You have both hands, both knees. Your knees are directly underneath your hips. Your hands are directly underneath your shoulders. Pull in from the rib cage, just like we've done everything else. Squeeze the shoulder blades slightly, pull in from the rib cage. Your pubic bone should be aiming straight out. Hold yourself here. You should feel balanced. Now, extend the left leg out and the right arm forward. If you feel like you're moving around, I want you to just stare at the floor, slow down, and try to hold your position. So you could either hold this position here, or if you have the strength to hold the position, then you could move, lifting up and down about an inch, but yet keeping all of your posture in your torso and core without anything moving around. So the rib cage is tight, the tailbone is aiming straight out, and the shoulder blades are engaged. One more time, and release. And now the exact same thing on the other side. So first find your balance point, and then lift and lower from there.